glorious and beautiful, strong as iron, hard as gold, heart that was, none can break the walls of love.
Race together from above.
Love.
Thank you, sir.
Friend, Chief Guest Murtaza Wahab, dear community Zoroastrians, congratulations on the 131st Founders Day. I congratulate the management, the community at large, President. But I must add over here that Murray Brody still beats you. 160. Well, that was on a lighter note. Over here, something my friend of Karachi has done is something immense of great importance by renaming the KMC building. I thank you on behalf of the community, sir. The contribution, minorities and especially the Parsi community, you being a Karachiite, it's from east to west and north to south. Not only in Karachi, but in the whole of subcontinent. Thank you for that. I also would like to have made some...
You might have noticed that I was standing here on the stage giving the trophies and the shields to the recipients. I was standing in an attention manner. That's what Miss Industry taught us. That's what BVS taught me. And I was just thinking, I asked Mr. Uncle Seria, how many of us would be with Baijiites here? I was just thinking, I don't get the opportunity now to say the school song. So I believe there are some Baijiites here, and we can perhaps, if my memory serves me right, I can try to recite some of the verses and you can join me in that. If I go wrong, Little Mystery, please forgive me. Bhai Baiji Parsi school, glorious and beautiful, strong as iron, hard as gold, heart that was, none can break the walls of love.
Race together from above.
Love.
Thank you, sir.
From 89 to 99, the 10 years that I spent at BVS were the formative years of my life, years that I can never forget. And the role that Parsi community played in the development of my life and the 1,300 odd students that used to study at BVS every year, I think there can be no words for us to show our gratitude to what the Parsi community has done for the people of Karachi. And when I became the father of the city, I thought there was no better way to recognize the contribution of the Parsi community than by naming things after the people who have served the city. So I'm the 27th mayor of Karachi, and the first mayor of Karachi was from the Parsi community. So it's a very interesting link that the first mayor was from the Parsi community, Mr. Jamshed Nusarwanji Mehta. The 27th mayor is a product of the Parsi community. I have no qualms in accepting it. And it saddens me that I don't see so many Parsis now in this city. This was your city, right? The role that Mr. Nusarwanji played, the role that Miss Ministry played, the role that Dr. Setna played. I don't have words. I mean, my wife is here. Dr. Setna was also our gynecologist. what great people you are. So, when the president was saying that he hopes that the forefathers who established KPI 130 years ago would be proud of what you have, what you've done, I think as a citizen of the city of Karachi, I am extremely proud of what the Parsi community has done. Extremely proud. And I sincerely hope and pray that we can recreate the magic of Karachi. We can recreate the Karachi of 30s, 40s, 50s, right? A Karachi which was progressive, which was liberal, which was tolerant. You know, it's not normal for, support staff to be called to the stage, and the support staff has so much confidence that he's dancing as he moves to the stage, right? And the response that he got from all of you was fantastic. So this is the sort of Karachi that I've heard of, and this is the sort of Karachi that I'd like to create. And with your support, with support of the people of Karachi, I have great hopes that inshallah, God willing, we should be able to recreate the magic of Karachi. Towards the end, what I'd like to say is, I've just not named the KMC building after Mr. Mehta. A request has been made to me that the tribute to Mr. Mehta is in Urdu language. It's in Urdu, why? Because Urdu is the official language of KMC. So that's why we thought it was more appropriate that the resolution is passed in Urdu, and that resolution is then reproduced in the garden of KMC in Urdu language. A request has been made that we should also translate it in English. It's my commitment to you that the translation will be made, and the plaque would be right next to the plaque that exists right now. I also have Mr. Mehta's bust in my office, and it's right next to me. To give me inspiration, to give me influence that yes, when things could have happened 90 years ago, things can happen right now. And inshallah, God willing, we will make things happen. Secondly, as I said, Mr. Mystery, so, we also named an urban forest after Mrs. Gina Mystery. Oh. Mr. Mystery का डर है, माइक भी जो है खामोश हो जाता है. So, KMC named an urban forest in front of Dolmen Mall after Mrs. Gina Mystery. We named a park in Clifton in Boat Basin after Dr. Sekna. I don't think people are aware of this, but that exists. And the fourth announcement that I'd like to make in front of all of you is that we would be naming a road in Liari after Justice Dora Patel. So, this is a very small token of appreciation from KMC to the Parsi community for what the Parsi community has done for the people of Karachi, for the city of Karachi. And I don't have the right words to express my gratitude, but trust me from the bottom of my heart.